Hello guys. Today I'm playing something called Dead Trigger, and for some reason I was like, let's just skip to the second game and not play the first one. That sounds good. So I did that for some reason. I don't care about tabula. So, blood warning. If you hate blood or if you're just scared of it, don't watch this freaking video. Okay, yeah, just this. It's a zombie game. If you don't like blood, you don't have to watch a video. It's fine with me. So, I've played some of it already. What just happened? I played some of it already. I played it like yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I should make a video about this game because it's so awesome. It's like a first-person shooter. The wrench. If you have the wrench, you could kill all the zombies. Hi there. Can I shoot him? Shoot him. Boom, boom. Bam, bam. Kabam. What? Why did I say that? I don't know. Gonna. Ow, frick. What just happened? Did he hit me? Well. Yeah, that was perfect. Are you okay? Meet me at the roof. There's a bunch of zombies. I don't care. Voodoo. What? Why do these zombies have like $600 just in their pockets? It's so funny. Like, they die and then they have ammo and. I know that game. Da 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 da. I found $23 off of a zombie. It's locked. Look around for a key. Oh, hi there. Oh, perfect. This is the key. Meet the survivor on the roof. I think I already knew that. I just think I thought that. Wait, this is what I love to do. I like shoot them once and then. Ah, dang it. Can't do my combo. My combo wombo. That's a big boy. There she is. Get to the car. Here's the thing. Should I be able to sprint? That sounds like a good thing I could do right now. Sprint. Whee! He just barely missed us. Like, I bet you the car thing on the back of the car, whatever it's called, just got like scraped. Loading, please wait. Claim rewards. I don't freaking care. I don't care. I know. I played this freaking game before. And I need to shoot. Wait, I need to go to my settings. Settings. And then. How do I find. No. Manual. Okay. I think that'll help me a lot. I'm pretty sure. Because whenever I'm playing, I start shooting. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna shoot this one zombie, and then there's like a row of zombies just behind him, and I waste all my ammo because I mostly miss. Chloe, could you stop that? No, you're not getting her painting. Oh. Okay, you know what? What is this? Is this an ad? Oh no. Yes, yes, I know. Chloe! Okay, I'll let you out. Go. Go! You want out? Go! Okay. Oh no. Okay, so, actually, all I need is my good old trusty thing. Where do I go again? Where do I go? Oh, frick you! Oh wait, I have to use my gun. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. How do I shoot? Oh, that's how. Duh. Hey, where are you? Hi there. You want more? Hey. Okay, the auto fire is definitely more helpful. Shoot him. Shoot him to death. Doesn't he get eaten by a zombie because he's being an idiot? You know what? Frick you. I'm not good at... Okay. This has just made it a million times harder. You know what? And I'll use the med kit. Doesn't Hank die? Sorry, Hank. He wasn't good anyways. Return to the car. Hi there. Hey, no. 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 Where do I go? Ooh. I think I go over here. Get out. Get out. Okay, I'm turning back on auto fire. Auto fire. Back. Back. Okay, yes. That should be a mission. Not like, good job, you did nothing. You only killed one zombie in the beginning of the freaking game. It only took you 3 minutes to get a mission. That shouldn't have been it. I know Harold. I bet you that's your name, Harold. Actually, complete, I don't care. We gotta... Okay. So, we have an entire freaking whatever you want to call it. Oh my god. I'm the engineer. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna be nice. Nope. I wonder where the engineer is. Is he just chilling somewhere? Line up. Line up. I said line up. Okay, there. They lined up. Boom. Oh no, sign of him. Open backyard gate. Boom, boom. Yay. Awesome. How is this going? Oh, it's break it. You opened the stock room. Cool. Yay. I opened a room with freaking 6 ammo packets that are just so awesomely just sitting there. Ooh, money. Just $23. What? Just laying on the ground. That's fine with me. Watch, there's gonna be a zombie just crawling out of there. I'm ready. I'm ready. Really? Okay. Hey, the engineer can take health? I thought it was just a robot that could, like, have infinite health. That means most of my little robots that I were trying to help died most of the time, basically. Or they were at least on, like, 6 health. Stock up on free ammo. I'll just get out my wrench. My wrench is helpful. Most helpful. My god. I don't think we should be going over here. Oh wait, this is just fine. Get back in there. Get back in there. Get back. Get back in there. Get in there. Get. Don't you touch me. Get in there. No. I love how they just ragdoll back in there like, oh no, I'm dead. This is where the mission sign is like, mission complete. Are you coming? Are you coming? I will shoot. Wait. Is he just indestructible? He's like, I'm indestructible. Okay, yeah, I'll turn back to auto. Yeah, we just have grenades. We just have the perfect amount of stuff to make one grenade. Only one, though. Really? We just have grenades? Well, we don't have grenades, but we can just make grenades. Make 600 more. I just like to go out in the world. I don't even like to upgrade. Our house? No, my house. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the rest of America. Then I'm gonna... Oh wait, this would be hard to do it like this. Manual. Back. What the... Oh no! A zombie entered the base. Okay, this is hard. This is hard. Okay, you know what? Wait. Oh, we already had to do this. Ooh, right in the head. Why when you like shoot them in the arm, they're just dead? They're just dead. You just shot them in the arm, of course. Oh no, that would kill a zombie. Not in the foot. What? How would that kill a zombie? No. No, I say. No. No. No, stop that. No. Haha, I shot you in the arm and you died. How many zombies are there? Stop that. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the freaking cap. No. Ah. I'm gonna do the rest of America. Then maybe if we hit, let's do 50 likes. Let's try to do at least 50 to 60 likes. I'll do another part where we're doing South America, killing all the zombies in the world. No, I don't want to. Okay, this is the only science is fun. I mean, it involves killing zombies, yeah. Oh no, I don't want this. I'm going to classic. I only use the big gun. I just headshot him. Yeah, that's cool. Hi there. I don't think you clear the area of zombies. Okay. Ah, frick. I don't think that's nice. Once I used, frick you. Once I used my bomb right at the beginning of the game. Let's just murder that golden pig. Once I used my bomb at the beginning of the game, I didn't die. That's why you need to save up your ammo in this. Because this guy. Why won't it not shoot? I put it on auto shoot. Die. A part of a shotgun. Awesome. So we got a shotgun. Or we're getting parts of a shotgun. The way he just busts out of the if that was me in that game, I'd honestly just shoot the refrigerator thinking it was a zombie. Then it'd open and I'd be like, why was he just chilling in a fridge? Okay, we're done with America. Like and subscribe. Let's try to get to 50 to 60 likes. And comment pizza, I guess. Oh my god. If you want part 2, let's get to 50 to 60 likes and bye.